Looking for the best camera to take your YouTube content to the next level in 2025? Whether you're a vlogger, gamer, or content creator, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we break down the top picks for the year and help you find the perfect one for your channel. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay? Let's get started. Number 1. Sony ZV-E10 II. This is a vlogging-focused camera designed for content creators who want to step up from phone video without diving into professional videography. With improved menus and no crop-on footage, it's a significant upgrade over its predecessor, making it easier to use with its touchscreen controls. Featuring a high-quality internal microphone with a clip-on muffler, it records solid 4K video. While it doesn't offer advanced features like oversampling or multiple codec options, it's ideal for creators seeking good video quality without complexity. It's not meant for serious photography due to the lack of an EVF, but its sensor and processor are the same as the Sony a6700, offering decent specs. The APS-C sensor supports Sony's E-mount lenses, but the compact body doesn't balance well with larger lenses. For vlogging, the articulating touchscreen is essential. The ZV-E10 II offers great value, though the absence of in-body image stabilization is a drawback. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II. This is an exceptional mirrorless camera for videographers, offering the versatility of an interchangeable lens system and a full-frame sensor that makes it just as capable for stills. Building upon the strengths of its predecessor, the Lumix S5, this model features a tough, compact frame and class-leading 5-axis in-body image stabilization, perfect for handheld shooting. A major upgrade in this version is the phase hybrid autofocus system, which combines PDAF and contrast detect AF for precise 779 area metering. This improvement makes the S5 Mark II much better at tracking focus on moving and low-light subjects, addressing one of the original model's weaknesses. The unlimited 4K/60p 4.2, 210-bit recording, and FHD/180p for slow-motion effects make this camera an extremely versatile tool for content creators. Despite its impressive features, the $2,500 or £2,000 price tag makes it a fantastic value for money considering its capabilities. If you're serious about video production, the Lumix S5 Mark II is an outstanding choice. Number 3. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. This is a standout choice for vloggers and video creators, especially for those frustrated by the 4K crop factor seen in many of Canon's other cameras. Unlike its counterparts, the G7X Mark III offers 4K video without a crop, allowing for wider framing and more flexibility in your shots. It also boasts the same compact body and lens as the G7X Mark II, but with a new sensor and improved features. One of the most notable upgrades is the addition of a microphone input, a game changer for ensuring high-quality, clean audio in your videos. It was also the first camera of its kind to support live streaming directly to YouTube, allowing you to set up a simple live stream without the need for a capture card or a computer. The flip-out screen gives vloggers a convenient way to check their framing while filming. Thanks to its 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor and Digic 8 processor, the G7X Mark III captures stunning stills as well, perfect for creating eye-catching thumbnails. It's a compact powerhouse for both video and photography. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black. It continues the brand's legacy of top-tier action cameras, offering a host of features that make it a great choice for YouTubers. One standout feature is its 8:7 ratio sensor, first introduced with the Hero 11, allowing for lossless cropping in various aspect ratios, perfect for YouTube Shorts and other vertical video formats. The Hero 12 Black shines in video quality, capturing 5.3K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 2.7K at 240 frames per second for super slow motion shots. GoPro's hypersmooth stabilization has been enhanced, providing smoother footage than ever before. However, low light performance remains a challenge, with the camera still struggling in dim environments. New features include Bluetooth microphone and headphone support, HDR video recording, and the ability to shoot in a flat log profile for more flexibility in color grading and dynamic range. While the Hero 12 Black isn't a massive leap over the Hero 11, its improvements make it a solid investment for serious content creators looking for high-quality, versatile video capture
and upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.